Welcome back to my channel Gyan Kitchen. Dear viewers, today I am going to cook silver pomfret fish curry in Arabic style. Please keep watching the video till the end without skipping. Thank you. Pomfret fish, clean and cut into medium pieces, chopped onion, tomato, fresh coriander leaves, fresh dill leaves, ginger and garlic paste, dry black lemon, green chillies, tomato paste, vegetable oil, tamarind sauce, lemon juice, brown sugar, cumin powder, turmeric powder, mixed spices powder, salt, black pepper powder and cardamom powder, cooking oil for frying fish. Put the vegetable oil in a cooking pot and heat it. Add onion and saute about 5 minutes until the onion becomes soft. Add ginger and garlic paste and saute about 5 minutes until the raw smell goes away. Add tomato and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, add tomato paste. Put little turmeric powder and salt to the fish and mix well. Put all remaining ingredient to the sauce. Add boiled water to the sauce and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a low flame. Fry all the fish as shown in the video. Add the fried fish to the curry and let it cook for 2 minutes. Pomfret fish curry recipe is ready to serve. Serve hot immediately with rice. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with new recipe. Till then, goodbye.